Hopefully I'm registering everywhere. I'm streaming on Twitch, Facebook, as well as YouTube. Trying to make sure we live before I get going. Actually, we're gonna start. We're gonna go over the market today. What happened during the close? We're gonna look at GBP, JPY. We're gonna look at the USD. We're gonna look at some futures. We're gonna look at the Nasdaq 100. We're gonna look at the yen, and we're gonna look at what else? We're gonna look at. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna look at Euro AUD too. It's one of my favorites. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Let's go. It's a pretty good day today. There's a lot of movement. Let me check out my watch list. Actually, the USD been so strong today. Straight off what the Fed was talking about. The Fed said they don't care. They yank us into a recession in order to get the price of that apple that you eat. They want to get that down, so they're gonna do whatever they gotta do. Yeah, so I'm looking at the USD went up 126 pips today on the yen. The euro it's almost at parity pretty much. It's $1 equals €1 at this point. It hadn't been like that in the past 20 years, man. We had an all-time high with dollar strength. The euro is having so many issues. They got a lot of drama going on with their oil crisis. They put themselves in a bind. Putin was like, Vladimir Putin was like, I can sell you guys oil for cheap. It's gonna be cheap. You can't beat it. They fell for it. Now they're pretty much dependent upon him, and you see everybody know what he's doing and what he's trying to accomplish. So that's why I'm not gung-ho to go out and buy the pound or go out and buy the euro. I factor all of that in before I press that green button. And by the way, trading is dangerous. Trading is hard. Trading is virtually almost impossible. Don't do it. Don't get in here and over leverage and think you're gonna get rich. Take your time, proper stop losses, risk management. It'll take you to the next step to where you don't have to worry about your trades. You take a trade, you know what you're prepared to lose, and you know what you see. So with that being said, let's get into the charts, okay? What are we looking at here? Looking at the Nasdaq. This is the 5-minute chart. Let's go out. We do top-down analysis, so we look at the higher time frames. Yeah, I'm on a 4-hour right now. Let's look at the daily chart. Friday was that. Friday was the bloodbath, cuz. Friday was such a bloodbath. And that is all I got. The Fed they said what they had to say, and the market reacted appropriately. So we had a bunch of. Today was a good day for the market, I guess. In a sense, it's a green day, small green day. But honestly speaking, smart money know this is straight set up for a fold. Man, what you think? You think that's gonna shoot all the way straight back up like that? I don't think so personally. But this setting up guys to lose it. Some guy doing good. He bought down here, so he's doing all right. He think he winning. Man, this thing will flip on you so fast, especially at this time of turmoil. So that's pretty much my view on the Nasdaq. I will be looking to sell. It's looking like a sell opportunity coming up pretty soon too, because we're forming a top right here. Look at all this capped out. My name was Captain Foul, by the way. This is capped out, shawty. Nobody, if you buying this, man, don't come to me crying when you done lost it all. They done took your arm and leg. Come to me crying. I say find a sell opportunity. Find a short opportunity. Buy a green candle. Not buy a green candle. Sell a green candle and hang on to your rodeo. Be sure to, if you selling the market, if we anticipating this market to go down, we're going against the odds. As a trader, I think they were just saying, what is this shit, like 2% of traders are profitable, dog. I just became profitable, really. Yeah, man, You get in here and you think you know what you're doing, this thing flip on you like it's nothing. And I guarantee you on the close that this thing probably gonna flip and blow all that out the water. Now, speaking on the NASDAQ, now let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin has here. I'm a fan of Bitcoin because if it weren't for Bitcoin, the government would know everything, every transaction, because they have tabs on the USD and whoop the bam. Bitcoin transactions. That's why China hate Bitcoin so bad. China want to know what folks doing. China want to know what folks doing. China want to know what folks doing, but Bitcoin don't allow that. So shouts out to Bitcoin. It'll never fold all the way. Shit, I would up looking at Bitcoin, man. That shit was down. What's that? It was below 20 G's. But we see a little pump. You know, you got some buyers, some dip buyers. Let me go to the daily. It's all time low, man. You can't get no lower than this. Let me zoom out. 20,000. I mean, what? When was the last time we was at? 19,000. What's that? What is that? What is that? June? Shit, man. Give or take, man. You know, I mean, history repeats itself. What goes up must come down. What goes down, it gotta come up sometime. Eventually, we're gonna see some momentum in Bitcoin, but during this time of turmoil, I wouldn't look to fucking get in this. Like, as far as investing in it, man, I'd try to short this thing. Real talk, I try to push it on down some more. Honestly, we got a daily green candle. What happened? Oh, we might get another green, or we might look at this. We in a whole nother zone now, though. We done dropped. So, what's all that about? I'm gonna say, man. Yeah, we in a whole nother zone. Looking at Bitcoin. Elon Musk. You know, I would go over Dogecoin, but Elon Musk, man, he's a scoundrel for the way he did us with Dogecoin. And I didn't get a short in. But bleed off, man. Complete bleed off. Nasty. This looking nasty. This right here setting you up. Everybody, Bitcoin's going back up. I need to go into the chats and the discords to see how, because this guys on there that's so gung-ho for Bitcoin. Don't sell your Bitcoin. I mean, cause you better quit playing games. I'm telling you, because you can re-enter. You can redeploy your funds if you take your funds out the market. So I don't understand why we have so many bag holders. I know people that let people trade their money for them. I'm not even sure those guys have stop loss on their investments. I might have to check in on that, because these guys lose these people money and then they try to blame it on the market. Whole time you could snatch that shit out, shawty. Snatch it out. Snatch. Look at the pound. Yeah. Look at this shit. This is horrible. That right there, Wickfest. Bind. Take your money. That's all this about. TakeYourMoney.com. We need to wait until this turmoil leave before we even decide to buy the pound. I mean, okay, you maybe could sell the USD, but it's so hard for me to buy the yen, man, because I just know their policy. And I know that they print money. They print money like, you know what I'm saying? They blow it like it's tissue. So, you know what I'm saying? Look at the Euro USD. The USD JPY. It's up to the moon. So we know that the yen is weak, okay? But apparently the pound can't really hold its weight. This would have been a good buy. Look at this board. That's straight false flag. Look at it. Fake out. Oh man, it gotta go down, because that was green at first, but then it reversed all the way down. Some poor soul went out, man, and sold, thinking that shit was gonna continue to go down, and he lost it. But hey, you set your stop loss very minute. You can look at it like this, guys. Say for instance you risk 5% per trade. That means you would have about, I would say, well, no, you know what? 0.25%, 0.25% per trade. So how many times would it take 2.5 to get to 100? You got a chance. What you gonna be able to take about 20 some trades? If you lose 20 trades in a row, and you know what I mean? Come on, guys, you gonna win. You gonna win eventually. Set your stop loss to where you can continue to trade. Say for instance, you only got $100 to trade with. Make your stop loss $5. Be you do a quarter per pip or 10 cents per pip. Make your stop loss be $5 or something, so that you can take 15 trades or something before you get knocked out or something like that. You know, if you trade away all the money that you have, man, sheesh, you ain't gonna have nothing. It take money to trade. A lot of people like to talk and, oh man, I want to be a trader. You don't work hard, man, shit. You know, clicking these buttons ain't, you know what I mean? I have to have funds to make the button clicking work. If you don't have funds to put in a button clicking, you just clicking buttons, cuz we not button clickers. We know, okay? And we know not to trade the Great Britain pound versus the yen, man. Straight bloodbath. I can't really see my chats. I can't really see what's going on, but I don't know, man. I supposed to be on Facebook too. I'm not sure if I am or not, and I can't even tell if anybody talking to me on there. But eventually I get things together a little bit better as far as presentation wise, because I'm normally used to streaming directly to Twitch. But what have I not went over? The USD JPY. It's been my boo. That was my boo. You know what I'm saying? That's my bae. Boo. Look at that. That's why that's my boo. You see, I've been buying that shit. This is the weekly chart. I've been buying that US dollar versus that yen since I knew the Fed was gonna yank something out. I've been knew it. Man, I watched Bloomberg all day. Look at this shit. Look at that. Yours truly was involved in that. I'm out of that shit now. I wound up getting stopped out off some fluke, man. Move my shit to like what? I don't know, man. I had 50. It dropped 50 pips on me. I got yanked out. But you know, I've been constantly buying, but it's been a good roll. Been a good ride. Oh man, what was all that? Hopefully ain't nobody upset with me. Passed out or something. But look, I mean, I'm excited to see what the dollar's gonna do. You know, it did all of this moving during the Chinese session though. Like I seen it shoot up about 80 pips in my face. We was on stream right after it. Like right afterwards. I think I was on the stream. Go check that out, by the way. My predictions were right, of course. But look at all this, man. This is trader's paradise. The fuck was that about? Look at that. Talking about after that first one. You know, and I seen it. We see, that right there went on when the news had happened too, man. I don't really know what the Fed, why they gained. The yen had gained so much power after the Fed talked. I guess everybody fell off the moon, but that shit, man, it all reversed, man. The market knows that they're going to continue to print money. How many US dollars is it to that yen? It's 100 and something. Last I checked, it was like 167 yen to pay for $1, man. Hey, bro, let me hold a yen. You asking that man for a cent or some shit? Wait a minute, 100 cents. So you asking that man for half a penny or something? Cut that penny in half. Hey, let me hold a yen, bro. Hey, you know what? Some guys asked me for some. I'm gonna start telling folks, hey man, I'll let you hold a yen. Let you hold a half of a cent. Nah, man. But you know, today been a great day. Pretty much everything went according to plan. I got in my buy. I secured profits. Pretty soon gonna have a Telegram running, so we'll be able to share trades and we'll be able to chit chat about the market. Cause me personally, I'm excited about the future. I'm excited about what's happening. I'm excited for the rebound, because what goes down must goes up, and what goes up must come down. I cannot wait until the Fed get finished screaming and yelling and scaring everybody and raising all the rates, so that I can buy this right here, man. so I can buy that NASDAQ. And you know, when I buy that NASDAQ gonna go. Shit, I ain't gonna never have to take that trade out. I'm gonna die holding that trade. Nah, I'm talking shit. Excuse my language, too, by the way. But look, I mean, this is the market here. Let's zoom on out. Cause you know it always goes up. Look at that nasty bear market though. Oh, what the fuck is this? Go to the daily chart. Man, that shit, I had to get out there for a while. It was gonna make me cry. So many folk lost it all, man. It's gonna make me cry. Look at this. This is Meta. This is I'm on Facebook now. This is Facebook. All those big wigs put together. All 100 of them. We got. Look at that. I mean, let me look at the last time. I can expect a bleed off tomorrow. It was such a. The dip buyers had to come in and buy that dip because I know that it got to be a setup for a drop. I'd be surprised because that shit was shooting up like a mug before the Fed talked. As soon as the Fed got finished speaking, man, NASDAQ took a dive. You know, I'm gonna wait and see what Bloomberg talk about on the close, and we're gonna see how the market closes and see how much turmoil we have. Because as of right now, we trade risk off, man. Even though we in the risk on, it's kind of risk on right now. Look at GU. I don't feel like dealing with that. Even GJ just shot up. Fluke move though. Shit, fluke to me right there. You been fiddle farting all the time. You gonna fluke. That's why I know it's finna drop back down. Cause it's fluky. It's all fluky, man. This all fluky. This all burn you. This right here gonna burn you. Don't buy, man. I ain't buying. And I'm only giving advice. This is not. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not certified. I'm not able to give you actual trade. All I'm doing is educating, and this is my opinion. But don't buy, cause I'm serious. Saying it ain't where it's at. All right, and I'm not gonna tell. I'll be a fool to tell you to buy the pound right now, knowing what's going on. Knowing what I know. I mean, the Europeans just met. They had what did they do? The Europeans just met. They had something going on to where they found out that Great Britain has more oil than they thought that they had. But come on, man. That might be what you're seeing right here. Fool's gold. Cause I'm the type to not fall for it. Never been the type. Shouts out Sand Road. Look, I don't know if you can comprehend. Nah, fuck it. Let me just do this. Quite frustrating here, having to change this up live, but we good though. Bull candle. Bull means up. I click black. Hey guys, I hadn't been asleep either, man. I hadn't been asleep. And I got all kind of crap to do, man. Some might get canceled, huh? Nah. All grind, no play. Yeah, it's Euro USD. This one of my. It's just a go-to. There's so much. It used to move like a snail, but I mean we got some movement going on now with the euro, with all this drama. So when the drama's over, we're gonna see a reverse. But it's a lot of drama going on, man. Look at this shit. Look, the daily chart. The euro been down for so long that I mean it don't really know where to go, man. Uncharted territory. Look how far down the euro is. Come on, man. Shit. People don't know what's going on. And they study exporting crap and importing crap, and that affects everything. and those are our buddies. Man, them guys over there, man, they got to start. They need to be a little. I ain't gonna say they need to be a little bit more smarter, but man, shit, they on that giveaway in Europe. They give away things. Trying to give away their freedom or something. Hell no. Nah, I rock with Europe though. I'm gonna keep selling them. I need some type of action. See, we waiting, and this right here kind of shows me like we may be waiting for the euro to gain strength back. Like, this is too far down. You know, man, come on, man. The market's closing. The market's getting ready to close. Look at this. Last week, the euro didn't move nothing. Man. Go back to the NASDAQ one more time. This thing right here flies so fast. I mean, yeah. Look at it. You see what I'm saying? On the 5-minute chart, man, the NASDAQ and NASDAQ move, boy. And it really don't care about you or your feelings or your rent, your mortgage, your life, your kids. It'll destroy all that. It don't care. And look at this. This is a bullish flag, right? Oh my God, I need to buy. Man, I ain't gonna buy. I need to buy, right? For it to yank back down some more. Shit, no. You see? Let's see. Go back down. I know it's gonna go back down, man. It's a range fest here. Might never go over here, and it's gonna. I don't know, man. A lot of people too. I've noticed that they don't even like when they say that Forex stuff fake, and they don't even like that Forex stuff real fake, man. They don't even know that you're supposed to trade during a session. Okay, a session is when two markets of different countries are open, so that news and different things and different stocks can affect the rate of the change, the volume of change. If you would buy, the only market in the world open right now, man, and the world open is the United States. We're the last one to shut down. What time is it in China? It's 3 a.m. over there. Wait a minute. No, that's in Australia. It's 3 a.m. over there in Australia. So we got a couple more hours before they open up. You got Australia, wait a minute, at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Well, at 9 o'clock Eastern time, it's 5. Wait a minute. 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. Eastern time, it's 9 a.m. in Sydney, Australia, okay? And in Tokyo, 8 o'clock p.m. Well, at 1 o'clock a.m. is the Tokyo session. It's 8 o'clock a.m. for them. So, like, you know what I mean? I don't know. I wonder why America's so late. It works alright though, cause we don't want that much volatility. You wouldn't be able to trade the doggone charts or whatnot. And I was wrong. I don't want to see this thing go to a zone right here and just fall down. Just fall down. We can see what we got, man. I'm gonna go ahead and sum this up. Just to end the video, you guys can be whatever you want to be. You guys can do whatever you want to do. Don't be upset with what you are and what you have right now. You don't need to complain. Nobody's holding you back but you. Do what you gotta do to better yourself. Work hard at where you're at right now so that you can improve your situation, so that you can advance and advance and advance. We want to always level up, and we always want to step up. That's what we about at Headquarters Profit. Stepping up. You know, I appreciate y'all, and that pretty much sums up what I have for you guys today. Go to my Twitch, Captain Cocky. Subscribe to the YouTube, Headquarters Profit. And what am I? Whatever. Like this thing on Facebook and stuff. It's all good. I haven't been on Facebook in 20 man. I haven't been on Facebook in so long. Hopefully this stream made it to Facebook. Shouts out to y'all, man. But It's your boy. I'm out of here, man. Peace.